Hi, I'm Thomas Blackford from Maranatha Roofing Professionals, and today I have something for you homeowners. It is how to file an insurance claim on a roof in 7 easy steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and comment below. It helps us appear in the algorithm. All right, let's get into it. Filing an insurance claim on a roof, a guide for homeowners. Having a damaged roof can be a stressful and overwhelming experience, especially if it's caused by a natural disaster or an unexpected event. However, if you have homeowners insurance, you may be able to file a claim to cover the cost of repairing or replacing your roof. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process of filing an insurance claim on your roof. Step number 1, assessing the damage. The first step in filing an insurance claim is to assess the damage. You should take photos of the damaged area and make a list of missing or damaged items, such as shingles or gutters. If the damage is significant, it is best to contact a professional contractor for a detailed assessment, and we'd be happy to help. If necessary, have your contractor make temporary repairs to prevent more damage. Step 2, review your policy. Before you file a claim, you should review your homeowner's policy to see what your policy covers. Some policies may not cover certain types of damage, such as wear and tear and or damage caused by negligence. Step number 3, notify your insurance company. Once you and your contractor have assessed the damage and reviewed your policy, you should notify your insurance company as soon as possible. They can be reached by calling the customer service phone number. You also should have the policy number and the date of loss when you contact them. Your contractor can guide you through this process and answer any questions you may have. Step 4, provide documentation. When you notify your insurance company, they will likely ask you to provide documentation such as photos of the damage, a list of any missing or damaged items. Your contractor will take care of this for you. Step 5, schedule an inspection. Your insurance company will schedule an adjuster's appointment to examine the damage and estimate the cost of your repairs or replacement. Having your roofing contractor is advisable during this inspection. We can represent you and your best interests to provide valuable input to the adjuster. The adjuster will use all information gathered to determine the coverage amount under your policy. Step 6, wait for a decision. Once the inspection is complete, your insurance company will make a decision on your claim. They may approve the claim in full, approve it partially, or deny it. If your claim is approved, you will receive payment for the amount approved. If it is denied, and there still is considerable damage, it is best to schedule a second adjuster appointment. Now, this is not uncommon. Step 7, repair or replace your roof. Once your claim has been approved, it is important to review the claim summary with your roofing contractor. Often, insurance companies will overlook key components on your roofing system. Your contractor will work with the insurance company to ensure all aspects of the roof are covered. Then you can use the approved funds to repair or replace the roof. Save proof that you paid the deductible on the claim. A state law makes it illegal for contractors or roofers to offer to waive a deductible or to promise a rebate for your deductible. Insurance companies may request proof, such as a receipt or a canceled check, that you paid your deductible. In conclusion, filing an insurance claim on your roof can be a complex process, but by following these steps, you can make the process smoother and get the coverage you need to repair or replace your damaged shingles or your roof. We would be happy to help. Contact us now. Our phone number is 940-279-6391, or find us on the web at www.maranatharoofingpros.com.